Game.
Kain na po tayo, guys.
Wow! Kakain na siya ng niluto niya. Galing naman. Tingnan ko nga kung magustuhan yung niluto. Oo. Nalaglag na. Kaya mo na yan. Oh. May nakalimutan.
Okay, cool. We got level 5. I think I'm gonna start searching for gold chests. Honestly, I'm not gonna chop wood. Strong axe or chainsaw. I'm really lazy.
Perfect.
Perfect. Wow.
And it just feels better. Probably got a gold chest. No gold chest in here. Okay, fuel canister, coal, good. Gonna be good for level 6. More fuel, what the heck? Okay. I don't have a flashlight. I should be fine, I'll be honest. Let's go here because there's guaranteed gold chest up here. 5. Not a gold chest. Oh my gosh. Jill, they left me up with strong axe already. Let's go. Okay, now we just need the giant stack, and I'll probably get level 6 for us just by chopping wood. I see a lot of fuel canisters I can get, so another wood chair building, which has already been in, so hopefully they got the wood chairs.
Napagod ka?
Hindi.
Hindi. Wow. Babalik pa tayo doon. Kailan?
Bukas.
Ay, grabe naman. Napasok. Ano? Sarap? Sino nagluto?
Ako.
Wow, ang galing na. Hindi na prito-prito yung niluluto. May gisa-gisa na. Wow. Hindi na magugutom. Laging busog na yan. Ano yung mga sahog ng... Ano yung ingredients ng niluto mo?
Repolyo, sibuyas,
Tapos,
paminta,
paminta.
tawyo, tapos oyster sauce. Tama?
Tapos, may dinagdag pa tayong konti.
Tubig.
Meron pa. Sugar. Ayun. Para
Matamis. Maasim.
Maasim. Favorite mo ang repolyo? Favorite mo? Pa?
Puti ang palaya.
Ang pala yun, di naman. Di ba mapait yun?
Hindi.
Love you, baby. Ang sarap naman. Galing.
Look like you got poisoning or something. Poisoning? What did I do? Don't worry, I'll help you.
Nagutom ka? Bakit ka nagutom? Anong ginawa mo?
Nagpapalaro.
Saan?
Doon. Sa ano?
Ay, wala na.
Sa? Ayan. Isang san. Basta, alam mo yun. Alam ko. Pintahan natin yun kanina.
I was growing some burning buds when I noticed that one of them was off. While all the others are almost fully grown, one of them has only grown 4%. They're all the same size, so does this mean that I got a giant burning bud? Yes, because 3 hours later it grew taller than the other ones at 7%. Then 9 hours it grew 16%. And it just reached the first branch of the giant pine cone tree. It has been 2 days since I planted this, and it has only grown 58%.
Gutom yung baby.
I was done waiting. I got 10,000 watering cans, and I'm about to spam them until this burning bud fully
Ay, may
grows.
nakalimutan ka pa palang ingredient. Yung last na nilagay.
Egg.
Di ba? Ano yung unang step?
Ano una? Na ingredients. Repolyo. Ay.
Ano yan?
Sibuyas.
Anong ginawa?
Narito.
Ginisa mo na. Tapos, isinunod na yung ano?
Repolyo.
Tapos, nilagyan ng
Paminta? Paminta?
tapos, tinimplahan ng
Nang? Toyo
at
at oyster sauce.
yan. Dinagdagan ng konting
Tubig. Tsaka kunting asukal.
yan. At last,
At last ay egg.
sa marunong ka na. Nawala.
Thank you.
Di pa tapos. Ayan yung luto niya. Siya lang din ang kakain. Tiran mo naman ako.
Sige.
Ah,
Sige.
thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Pati ang kanin sa kaldero, uubusin ko.
Ay, grabe naman. Grabe naman.
Si ate, alam ko, uubusin. Baga.
Ba't pala nakataas yung paa?
Wala.
Baba. Sabi.
Wala. Ah.
Ay. Baba.
Sige.
Ibaba mo nga. Yan, di ba? Pag sa school pala nakataas yung paa.
Hindi, oh.
Oh, kaya.
When you die, your body is placed in a specially designed furnace that can reach 1,000 degrees Celsius. This intense heat decomposes the body to bone fragments and ashes within about 2 to 3 hours. Afterward, a magnet is used to remove any metal objects like surgical kits, hidden piercings, and dental implants. Finally, the remaining bone fragments are blended into a fine powder, which is combined with the residual ash and placed in a furnace.
Why do 100% of scientists agree that dinosaurs never fully disappeared? Because their descendants are all around us. Let's crack this prehistoric mystery. Here's the secret.
Sarah was a monster barber. The first customer that day was a fire knight. Seeing
One
the
more.
flame air, she quickly grabbed her fireproof tools. Snip by snip, she trimmed and
One
shaped the
more.
flames. A few quick touches with her clippers and scissors, and the fire knight now had perfect firing device. She was thrilled and gave her a big thumbs up. Not long after he
Anak.
left, another
Harap?
customer walked in. This one was a
Sarap
skeleton.
ng luto ko.
Sarap ng luto mo?
Patched the skull cracks with cement and carved mystical symbols on top. When she chanted a spell, flames surrounded from his head. She trimmed the edges perfectly.
Pwede na?
The skeleton looked completely transformed.
No.
The skeleton loved his
Pwede nang mag-asawa?
to
Bawal.
Oh, ano pala?
The barber started Medusa down and gave each snake a foil perm, styling them into dragons. After Medusa left
Pwede na magmadre.
Oh.
the girl shop was getting favored. Even Stone Golems wanted to visit. She welcomed everyone and planted a tree on Golem's head. Pumpkinhead showed up too, only to be turned into pumpkin soup the
Chicken.
next second. Monsters crowded the shop all day, and she worked non-stop until evening. Just as she was getting dizzy, a bald man arrived for a haircut. Seeing that she slammed the door, he called it a day.
Mm. Na. Joke na. Joke lang.
Ayaw mo na?
Gusto pa.
Busog ka na siguro. Ang dami mo na kinain. Enough na yun.
Hmm?
Enough na yun. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sarap ng ulam.
Wait lang. Just bite.
Last bite.
Mm. Just bite.
Smile.